Hello, parents and friends. This is Miss Godfrey here. I just wanted to explain the Zoom call that I sent you earlier today. It's something that I would love to try that other grade levels are using, and it's a way where we can meet face to face on your laptop or iPad or whatever device you're using. So the email I sent today says, "Hello, I want to try to meet with everyone who can on a virtual call called a Zoom call. Please click on the link today at 11 o'clock. That's the time I scheduled for today. If it doesn't work for you, we can try to come up with another time or maybe 2 times a day. So I would love your feedback. It's a great way where we can say hello to each other and say hello to our classmates. Today we're just going to do a morning meeting together. So at 11 o'clock, you're going to click on this link. This is the email I sent you. You're going to click right here, and then you'll click on this open URL, Zoom Launcher, or it might say open link. You'll click on that, and then once you click on that, hello, you'll see your face, and you'll see Miss Godfrey's face, and you'll see your friends' faces. And you might have to make a name, write a name for yourself. It might prompt you to do that. And then down here, these are really important buttons on the Zoom call. This means that your video is not being shown anymore, and this is audio. We sometimes we'll have to mute this so that Miss Godfrey can give directions, or we might have some friends just share one at a time. But it's really important that your video works and your audio works so that we can all participate together. So I hope to see you at the Zoom call today. If you have any questions, please email me, call me, text me, and see with Miss Guzman. This is a great way we can see all of our friends together, so it's really fun and cool. Okay, bye. Hope to see you at 11 o'clock.